AI needs to plug into the software we use every day and perform actions for us before it can take over the world. I'm just kidding. I don't think that's going to happen, but in order for AI to reach its max potential, it does need to integrate better. That's the issue that's got me looking as we speak for some AI tool to plug into Premiere Pro and help me with edits. Another example, you might want AI to help you respond to work emails, but it wouldn't be much of a productivity overhaul if you had to copy and paste the original message into ChatGPT or something, and then copy and paste the response it gave you over and over and over. I've been there myself, I must admit it. But what you'd really want is some sort of tool that integrate into your email app of choice, and ideally, it'd be aware of all your past emails and your own writing style to better act as your writer for future emails. And like I said, it needed to generate those responses right in the app. Well, luckily that's a thing, and it's called Tanka. Tanka is a messaging app first and foremost, but with deep AI integration throughout that almost adds the functionality of a personal assistant or extra teammate. The AI learns from your conversations to understand the context of your team or group, and that allows you to do things like summarize messages, generate replies, translate conversations, and more. And considering Tanka needs a lot of information to do a lot, security would be an important question to raise. But if you look at Tanka's website right here, you're able to see that they're using verbiage well above my pay grade, and really, in all seriousness, Tanka is on top of things. From doing my research, it does seem like this sort of solution would really be more secure than hiring an actual consultant or assistant. But now let's get into the bread and butter, the key features of Tanka. First, there's compatibility. Tanka works with Slack, WhatsApp, and Telegram on the messaging side of things, and Outlook and Gmail on the email side. So right off the bat, it's good you can port over whatever services you're already using. And if you're using multiple of these services, you can bring them all over. That's kind of the point. Tanka centralizes your messaging all in one place, and then sprinkles that AI magic on top of it. So let's talk about that Tanka AI assistant. It can do things like generate summaries of meetings you might have had in the app, more on that later, or generate auto replies to potential clients of your company. And keep in mind, both of these are done with a deep understanding of context from your previous conversations, so you can expect more accurate and natural replies using Tanka versus some third-party AI chatbot or something. A quick example of using that AI assistant would be having it generate you a summary of what happened in the last 5 days after you took a week off work. And branching off having Tanka write replies for you, you can also have it send auto replies without any approval on your end. For repetitive situations where you're sending the same sort of reply message to the same sort of initial message, you can have Tanka replace the uninspired and frankly boring work to let you focus on more important things. This is like those out-of-office email auto replies, but on steroids. Next, there's video and audio messaging capabilities. You can access these right in the Tanka app, so once again, you're staying in your central hub without missing a beat. And by using video and audio, you just open up more lanes of communication, and the AI features plug into those as well. Just as an example, if someone sends you a voice message instead of a traditional text message, you'd still be able to use Tanka's AI to generate an auto reply to that. And as you'd imagine, in order to make that happen, Tanka does have an auto transcription service going on in the background, and that just lets you deal with voice messages in a more convenient way when you either can't or don't want to listen to them. And similar to real-time transcription, there's also real-time translation for working with international teams. This integrates with all aspects of Tanka and just makes working with a global team that much easier. And for video calls, this is probably common knowledge, but they can be super useful for anything from quick progress reports to actually putting in the grunt work to get a project closer to being done. For my capstone project back in my college days, we'd sometimes meet over video call, and I'd take the transcript, give it to ChatGPT, and tell it to generate meeting minutes. That's something you could do with Tanka, but probably quite a bit better. One more thing to point out before getting into some real-world scenarios is that Tanka is mobile-friendly, whether that be for workaholics or just travelers taking their productivity on the go. Okay, first scenario, imagine you're a project manager who needs to stay on top of in- and outbound emails, but the info inside them can range from unimportant back and forth conversation to the most important stuff, like project progress reports. Well, all you'd have to do is ask, and Tanka would be able to do the dirty work for you of sifting through all that information and pull up whatever updates you needed while leaving out the fluff. And if you needed one specific piece of information, be it a due date, person to contact, login credentials, etc., Tanka would be able to surface that in seconds, as opposed to you trying to do it yourself and potentially taking minutes or maybe even hours. Now let's say you're managing a team of remote workers across the globe. If you're building something like an online business, it'd make a lot of sense to do that and build out an international team where each worker would represent the best talent from that region and potentially target customers in that area. But whether it's just different time zones or completely different languages, Tanka's multifaceted communication features just make everything easier. The video and voice call features add extra avenues for talking with the team on top of trusty email and messaging. And of course, there's the integrated translation features for helping bridge language barriers. Okay, one last example is simply pointing out how Tanka can give you smart suggestions or prompts throughout the day. Like I mentioned at the beginning of the video, it can almost act as an extra teammate by giving you reminders and suggestions, prompted and unprompted. It can even pin messages that roll in that seem particularly important. It's always good to have an extra set of eyes on things to make sure that deadlines are met, quality's up to standards, and all such things. So Tanka can help fulfill that role for any team using it. But that about wraps up my introduction and overview of Tanka. Again, integration takes AI from being something you have to interrupt your workflow to access into something that's just seamless. And with services like Tanka, you get the side benefit of the AI understanding your personal or team context. So if you're interested in giving Tanka a try, go ahead and join the waitlist from down below, subscribe for more quality tech videos, and I'll see you later.